freight finder. It gives carriers the ability to search our loads directly from their mobile device, no logging on to the internet, no hunt down a computer, no calling in and asking somebody to search for loads for them. A couple of clicks and they can see all the loads we have available. Next feature of it is that it uses the GPS capabilities of their phone, so they don't even have to enter a location to search from. They can select to use the GPS and it'll search a radius around where they are at that minute. So if they're looking for a reload or they're sitting inside a receiver trying to plan their routes and plan their next couple of jobs, they don't have to do a lot of extra work to get that information. And a couple of clicks you can see the loads. One more click you can call directly to the person that has it, and you can book it in a matter of seconds, whereas before there was a lot of searching and a lot of finding the right equipment to use to search involved. And this takes all that out of there, and wherever they're sitting and whatever they're doing, they just pull out the mobile device, a couple of clicks, and they've got a load. The best part about the mobile app is that it's free. There will be no charge to the carriers. All they need is to go on the Apple App Store or the Android Marketplace and download it. We spent a lot of time and effort developing this, and one of our main goals was to get as much functionality into it without having to charge the carriers. We want everybody to have this because we think it's going to be useful, we think they're going to be excited about it, and so we're giving it to them. The thing that we're most excited about is that we've already given the prototype of this app to a couple carriers, and they've been using it and they've been testing it and they've been giving us feedback, and so we've been able to update on the fly and make it work the way our carriers want. This wasn't developed in a vacuum in here. This was developed with a lot of feedback from the people who are going to be using it. And again, that's always our goal. We want to make it easy for carriers to do business with us. We want to give them the things that they want. And so that's what went into this. A lot of carrier feedback, a lot of ideas, and a lot of revisions based on what the people actually using it thought would work best. It's not the first of its kind in the industry, but it is the first application of its kind developed by a brokerage. So our goal, as always, is to make it easier for carriers to do business with us. We know that a lot of the guys out there on the road, they can't get to a computer. They have to talk on the phone while they're driving, or they have to find time to search for loads. Eventually, we want you to be able to work with TQL from the palm of your hand in every way at every time, and that's where we're going with this, and we're excited to offer more features in the future.